Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, gold was crazy yesterday. Gold was extremely bullish. So those who were on the buy, okay, they made pretty good money. Yesterday, we discussed few trading opportunities. Market did not come to our levels for retracement, but yes, we got these buy and breakout. This was the high made by the market, and we discussed about the buy opportunity at breakout. And to be honest, I was not expecting this kind of a huge move. I was not expecting yesterday gold to hit the resistance, the big resistance at the top, which is around 2474 to 2484. Okay, and now we can see that gold is coming down for some correction. This correction doesn't mean a trend reversal. Okay, this is just a retracement, and respecting the present trend of the market, we can expect that after taking some support, gold will try to bounce again. Last time I saw gold yesterday, the gold was around 2464, but when gold made the high of 247678, okay, I was not watching the market. I guess we all were sleeping, okay, especially with Asians. Okay, now let's look at the trading opportunities. But before that, let's look at the market sentiment. Gold edges higher on safe haven demand. You can see gold is higher in early Asian trade. Safe haven buying amid elevated geopolitical tensions has helped push gold prices higher. Okay, so because of the ongoing geopolitical tension, we can see gold going up. And as we all know, at the time of crisis, any global crisis, gold is usually bullish. You can see gold moves higher on rate cut expectations as yields narrow ahead of key economic data. Okay, so this is the ongoing market sentiment, and it's better and safer for us to be on the buy side only. Okay, so at this moment right now we do not have um, too many things to discuss on the chart of gold. Okay, let's discuss one by one the existing trading opportunities. Okay, today I'll be switching to the 15 minutes time frame. So first of all, my dear friends, okay, we need to find a proper retracement level. Okay, and the first retracement opportunity or the first buy opportunity will come around 2454. Why 2454? You can see we have used Fibonacci here. So when market came down, okay, market took support around the Fibo 0.236 level here. So market has respected this level. That's why we are expecting our Fibo setup to work here. So 2454 is our first buy opportunity. As we all know, these levels do not work precisely. Okay, they work as zones. Okay, so you can say 2454 to 2450 will be our first buy opportunity because we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level. You can see 100 moving average also coming up. Along with that, you can see the previous resistance here will also be acting as support. If we combine all the factors around 2454, 2450, we can expect the market to take support. During the day when market will enter the zone, simply switch to 15 minutes, 5 minutes to observe the market behavior. When you'll see the market is trying to take support, market is showing price rejection from above, you can hit the buy button. And in case market shows heavy selling pressure, then obviously this may not work. For example, if you see that suddenly market has formed a big red candle, then obviously you need to use your common sense because see, there will be many levels in a market, but not all levels are permanent. No level is permanent actually. Okay, in that case your second buying opportunity will come around 2447 to 2444, 2444. Yeah, this is your second buying opportunity because of Fibo 50% retracement level, plus you can see market has taken support around this area earlier. Okay, and then we have the third buying opportunity on 2439, 2438 area, but I don't think so market will be coming down to 243839. Okay, so these are the 2-3 levels on the chart of gold right now where we can look for buy and retracement if market comes down. But I think market, okay, there is a high chance the market will not come down to heavy correction like 2439, 2438 area. So we may find market coming down to 2454 or 2444 area only. Okay. So these are the levels if market comes down, and if market goes up from here, then my dear friends, if market goes up from here, then this will be a little bit tricky for us. Okay, why tricky for us? You must be knowing that this is a big zone. Okay, 247, sorry, 2475 to 2484. This is a big zone on the chart of gold right now, and this can be a little bit tricky for us. Why tricky for us? Because this is a big zone, we cannot buy here. Okay, we cannot buy here in this zone, and we cannot also take a sell as well. I'm talking about fresh sell. If you already have taken a sell right now, then you can be on the sell position, okay, for some time. But taking a sell, new sell around this area can be a little bit risky. So I will just say that, my dear friends, okay, I'm making this video in the Asian session. I don't know how the market will perform during the US session. So if market remains like this, then this will be our no trading zone. Okay, no trading zone. But from your experience, okay, if you want to take any position, you can go for it. But if you're a beginner, if you're clueless, okay, confused right now what to do around or between 247584 area, if you're confused, then just consider it as no trading zone and do not do anything. Okay, if you are experienced enough, if you want to do anything, that's your personal choice. Okay, and in case market shows bullishness, if market breaks 2484 by the US session, then we can look for a buy above it. Okay, but look for volume. If you see the market is going up with a big green candle, then only go for a buy, just like yesterday. Okay, if you see that there is a sudden drop on volume, market is not much bullish enough, then you can just avoid it. Volume is going to play a major role, and the red box here, the previous resistance, will play a critical role here. Okay, because three times we have seen complete reversal, good amount of reversal from this area, and right now you can see market is just standing at the level. Okay, and now whether we will get a pure trend reversal, which should not come because we do not have any market sentiment. That's why we are looking for buy and retracement. Okay, try to understand. Okay, for any reversal we usually need some sort of news. Okay, yes, sometimes big moves come when profit bookings also happen, but tomorrow we have CPI coming up, so I don't think the market will go for a crazy selling opportunity. If market shows heavy selling, okay, if market shows heavy selling by the European session, then follow the trend of the market. Follow what I told you guys. So forget, not follow, so forget what I told you guys. Okay, because see, trend of the market is very, very important. Again, I'm repeating, see, I'm making this video in the Asian session. In the Asian session, we can see that there is a high chance of market taking support around the levels. But by the European session, if things change, then obviously you need to follow the trend of the market. Because earlier also we have seen market going for complete reversal. But if market takes support as a day trader, at least you can look for buy of 40-50 pips. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Be careful. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.